guys, so I went to Gikomba yesterday and my aim was to just get fish, but I ended up getting some other things that I want to show you. I got bed sheets, went for 300 bob. I got them at this place just before you enter the fish market. There are people out there who sell bed sheets, and one is already on the bed. And I got a puff jacket in jungle green. I'll wear it maybe sometime later when I have at least washed it, because it's second hand. I like washing my second hand things before I can wear them. There's a time I got a thrifted dress and I wore it before washing it, and I got tinea corporis. I was even wondering what is this that I have, because I had rashes all over the body. So this time round I'll make sure that I wash everything. Then I got 3 bed sheets. A grey bed sheet. Then I went to our Kenyan closet and I got, it's a jumper, at the same time it's a trench coat, so cute. 400 bob. So my birthday was like 2 months ago, and my friend was like, since I'm so far and I'm not sure what I should get for your birthday, she always gets me nice things for my birthday. Last birthday she got this really pretty bag that I love, but this time around she was like, what do you want for your birthday? I was like, I'm not sure. So she sent me money to get anything that I wanted. And guys, I got a pair of heels because I wanted to add to my heel collection, because I gave up most of my stuff to children's home. I also have some shoes that I should also take to children's home, but now I'm getting things that I now like. So I got this and this. So let me unbox the heels. They're so cute, guys, and they're so comfortable. It's not something that I would get, but I thought I should get out of my comfort zone and get something new. So how cute, guys. How cute are these heels? And they came with these 2 things. If the heel gets broken, you can replace with this. So I got this. They're so cute. I will not tell you the price because they are gifts. Then I also got sandals. Because sometimes you don't have budget for some things that you want. You have budget for things that you need. But because it's my birthday, but they should come every day. So yeah, sandals. So what I want to do right now is at least catch up on a movie. So guys, I have been away for 2 weeks and the house was really dusty. So I thought, because I was also feeling tired, I would look for someone to come help me at least arrange the house and dust, as I did the laundry and did the utensils. Not look what was again, guys. So I cleaned the kitchen, the whole of the kitchen, every part of the kitchen. I also cleaned the bathroom and did laundry. Then she was cleaning the sitting room. I know accidents happen, but some accidents are too expensive. So she broke my flower vase and I was so mad. I can't hadi karibu niseme sitalipa, but then at the same time I was like, oh, nimesaidia ku clean, so I haven't paid yet. But immediately after this video I'll call her and let her know it was wrong to break the vase, but then pay her. But that is the last time I will maybe let her clean my place again. So yeah, it was my favorite thing in the house, in the sitting room. Because everything, guys, if you know me, you can even ask my sister. I love my things because there's nothing that has been just handed to me. I have had to work so hard for everything. So after you break a glass, I usually feel so bad. I know accidents happen, yes, but I feel like you should be more careful. And if accidents happen, it doesn't mean that I won't feel bad about them. So yeah, if you like break anything that I have bought with my hard earned money, wanna feel vibaya sana. Yeah, I take care of my things. Also, she broke a bucket that I have had since I was in Form 1. And I was attached to that bucket because when we were doing Form 1 shopping, my parents did not have so much money, and I felt like they sacrificed to get those things for me. So yeah, I kept that with me. And then she broke it. Nimekaa nayo kutoka nikiwa Form 1. Alafu ya na break, like why? I was so mad, guys, yesterday. I'm still mad, but it happened. It's an accident. So let me show you what remains of my very nice flower vase that I got for my birthday, that I got myself for my birthday. Let me show you guys. I didn't even clean that corner because I felt like I should have a funeral. Yeah, for the flower vase. It took a couple for a while, though I know I might step on it, nilafu ikuwe na shida, then I get injured, so I'll just remove it from there. I feel so bad, guys. This is where I used to put the flower vase. So this was my favorite corner of the house. Yeah. the painting. Then I used to place the flower vase there, and it had some orange flowers to match the paint and the roof. So now that place is empty, but there are some flower vases that I have, but they are yellow in color, guys. I don't have anything yellow in this house. Maybe, no, it won't make sense. I'll show you as I place those other flower vases that I made for myself DIY. There. But I feel so bad. Like when you go to clean someone's house, or when you're dealing with things that are not yours, be a little bit more careful.
Burger King with a bad little mommies. You know I wanna rock your body. You know I wanna do some things. I tear that pussy out the frame. We some top flow penthouse sweet type niggas. I am not a rapper, I'm a boom boom killer. Slim, handsome, rich and
in the day. I ended up just sleeping. I was so tired and exhausted, considering the last 2 weekends I was working outside Nairobi. So this weekend I decided to stay in, relax. Instead of watching, last time we talked, I told you I was going to catch up on a series that is Wednesday on Netflix, but I did not do that. I slept, and so I just woke up. My phone had a problem. I could not hear when someone was calling me. The earpiece had a problem. But with TikTok and ChatGPT, they told me to take a toothbrush and scrub the earpiece like that. And guys, now I can hear clearly, so I'm going to buy some meat to the one that I would have used to clean, to fix the phone, and come back, make some pilau. I haven't cooked pilau for a very long time, and pilau is my second favorite food after prawns. So yeah, I'm going to get some pilau. So I went to the butchery, I got the meat, it's now boiling. So as it boils, I was like, in my previous job, I used to bake stuff and carry them to work and share with people. But since I moved into this new job, I have never shared my magnificent baking with anyone. So since I have some very ripe bananas, I'll be making a banana bread. Then I'll carry it to work tomorrow. So today I want to use a shortcut and you'll see exactly what I will do. It's so easy to make and comes out the best.
the best I see. Steady, ready, the assassin. Sweet in my belly, you're like cake, guys. Something jelly. Eggplant emoji. So trained when I slide it. Now she watching me like telly. Sensational.
So as the pilau and the cake cooks, I'll wash the dishes so that you can serve the food together and chill, go to bed, and that will be the end of my day.
Mix your camera angles. Start wide and slowly go tight. So let me break down how I would shoot this line of story. I was tired, so I listened to some music to unwind. First, let's make your shots look so good. Believe it or not, it's actually pretty easy. I'll show you. And while most people think it takes a long time and a lot of headaches to achieve, it's actually a lot more simple than you think. Before we ever click record, we need lighting. In a lot of ways, lighting will be the determining factor of whether a shot looks cinematic or a shot looks bland. Lighting is ultimately what we call the cinematic triangle. So, there we go. Pretty much what is happening is I have a key light right in front of me, and it's just a softbox. It's the Zion.
Here's the cake. It looks so nice. It almost got burnt because I put so much heat, but it's quite okay. So how do you check if your cake is done? So you just take anything, a toothpick, a knife, and then you insert at the center because the center takes too much time before it gets ready. So you have the cake here. If the knife comes out clean, then your cake is ready, and mine did. So I think I'll have a dessert today. I was thinking of cutting everything, but I'll have a dessert today.
Waiting I do for you, girl.
Taken a shower and now I want to get into bed, but before that let me show you what I am currently using on my skin. So for my body I'm using this Glow. It feels a little bit drying, but since I bought it I have to finish. I added coconut oil to make it more moisturizing. Then on my face I use Mol. This is a game changer, guys. If you can get your hands on this, it's so nice on the skin. You feel moisturized and smooth. So yeah, this is what I use on my face, and I think that's all. And a sunscreen from L'Oreal for when I'm leaving the house and going somewhere. I can't use it indoors because it's too expensive, and I was given as a gift by my sister. So yeah, when I'm sleeping I like to have an extra duvet on the bed in case it's so cold at night. Guys, I should find someone to be sleeping with, because what is this now? Because when I'm sleeping I get so cold sometimes. Guys, jokes. So yeah, let me get into bed, sleep. Yeah, and that's the end of the video. I hope you like spending a day with me, like a very realistic day where I was not going out buying stuff, doing stuff. I was just spending the day with myself in the house. So yeah.